Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shayla. Today's video, as you can tell by the title, is going to be a relaxing night routine, and I'm starting it kind of early because it's actually like 3 o'clock, but I just got home from the gym not too long ago and I did some filming, but I really just want to shower, and that's kind of like the big thing in my night routine is like I shower. And I know it's kind of early to shower, but I just, you know, like after the gym, you just want to shower. Like, I just want to shower. But yeah, I literally just want to shower and get my PJs. So I'm going to start this as early as it is. Anyways, I'm going to stop yapping and let's get into my shower. Okay guys, so you guys just saw that I showered and then I edited for like an hour and a half-ish, and now I'm making some rice. So I'm gonna make some for my meal prep right now. And I'm also watching Selling Sunset season 8 because I just finished season 9 and I started there because it was like so crazy. But yeah, that's gonna be it, and then I'm gonna eat my meal prep, probably do more editing honestly, and yeah. So I just put in a load of laundry quick because I need a work shirt for tomorrow. Okay, sorry, I got cut off, but I'm just gonna finish up editing some videos, posting some TikToks, and I'll check back in later. Probably also watching some Selling Sunset in the background because I'm obsessed with it right now, so. Okay guys, I just made my tea. She's right on my nightstand, but I literally I was having a really great start to this day, and then I just kind of got really stressed because about the trip and a lot of things I still have to do. So not the most, you know, realistic night routine, but like also realistic in a way, because some nights I'm really just in my bed the whole night after and just doing stuff on my phone, scrolling, which isn't like the best habit, but it's just the reality. But I was getting stuff done. I got my YouTube video posted, thumbnail good to go. But then I just started getting stressed and like planning and stuff, so I'm just ready to go to bed. Literally, I'm just gonna floss and brush my teeth, do my mouthwash and everything after drinking my tea. So I'm just gonna end this off here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Even though it wasn't the longest video, I just hope it kind of showcased a little bit of my night routine. Well, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and also check out my socials, and I'll see you guys in my next video.